Hello students, in the previous class we have learned how to make cumulative frequency distribution table. Okay, and we have solved question number 1 and question number 2, and also I told you to solve question number 3 by your own, but for your convenience I am solving question number 3. So see the solution of question number 3 now. So students, let us see question number 3. The data is given for 62 students in a certain class regarding their mathematics marks out of 100. So what is given to us? We are given the data of 62 students and the marks scored by them in mathematics out of 100 is given to us. Now we have to take the classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20 like that, and prepare frequency distribution table and cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. Okay, so we have to prepare first frequency distribution and after that we will add cumulative frequency table more than or equal to type. Okay, so this is the data of 62 students. Now what we have to do? From the table answer the following questions. So after making the table you have to answer these 4 questions. Okay, so let us concentrate on the table first and then we will come to the questions. Okay, so students, already I have written the data and 4 columns I have made. First one is class, second one tally marks, third frequency, and fourth one cumulative frequency more than or equal to type. Okay, now we will make the table. So you can see the maximum number here is 95, so we will go till 100. Okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So this way we will make a class column. Now we will come to see the scores and make the table. Okay, so we will go one by one. First number is what? 55. So 55 will come here. Okay, 50 to 60 will come. Then next one is 60. So 60 will come in this column. You cannot take 60 here. Starting 60 is here. Okay, then you have 81. So 81 will come in this column. Then 90 will come last column. 45 will come in between 40 and 45. Then 65 will come 60 to 70. 45 will come in this column. Then 52 will come in this. Then 30 will come here. Then 85 will come in this column. Then 20 and 10, 20 will come here and 10 will come here. 75 will come here in this column. 95 will come here. Then 9 will come in the first one. 20 will come in the third one. 25 will also come here. 39 will come in this. 45 means 40 to 50. Then 50 will come in this column, 50 to 60. Okay, so like that we have to continue. 78 will come in this, 70 to 80. Then which one? 70 will come in this one, 70 to 80. 46 will come 40 to 50. Then 64 is there. 64 will come in this column, 60 to 70. Then 42 is there. 42 will come in this column. So already 4 is there. So make it 5. 58 will come in this column. So 31 will come in this column. 82 will come in this column. 27 will come in this column. Then you have 11 will come in this column. 78 will come in this column. 97 means last one. 7 means first one. 22 third one. So already 4 is there, so make it 5. 27, so one more. Then you have 36 will come here. Okay, then 35, so total 5. 40 will come in the next one. Okay, then 75 will come here, so make it 5. 80 will come in this column. 47 will be here. 69 will be here. 48 will be here. 59 will be here, so 5. 32 will be here. 83 will be in this, so total make it 5. 23 will come here. 17 will be in the second one. 77 will be here. 45 means fifth one. 5 means first one. Then 23 is there, so 23 will come here. 20 to 30. 37 will come in this one. 38 will also come. 35 will also come. Then 25 will come here. 46 will come somewhere here, so already 4 is there. 5. 57 here. 68 in the next one. 45 means here, so right here. Then 47 will also come here, and 49 will also come here. Okay, so in this way we have made tally marks. Now let us count the lines and write frequency. So here 3, here also 3, here 9, here 9, here 13, here 6. See here 4, 1, 5 is there, so cross it up, don't put here. 5, 6, 5 and 3. Now we have to take total of this. Okay, see what we are getting if we do total. 3, 3, 6, 9, 6, 15, 15, 9, 24, 27, 33, 38, 38, 38 and 6, 44, 49, 52, 5 carry and this one, so 62 total. And already we know that this data is of total 62 students, so that means we are right. Now we want to make more than type cumulative frequency, so for that we will start from the bottom. So keep first number as it is. Now go on adding. So this is 3 plus 5, 8. Then you will do 8 plus 6, 14. Then you will do 14 plus 5, 19. Then you will do 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 13, 38. Then 38 plus 9, 38 plus 9 will give you 47. 47 plus 9 will give you 56. 56 plus 3, 59. 59 plus 3, 62. Okay, so in this way we have made cumulative frequency more than type. Now we will give the answers of the questions which are supposed to be asked here. See the first question. How many students obtained marks 40 or above? Okay, so 40 or above. See, in this you will get 30 to 40 and you want 40 or above. So 40 or above means what? This column you will consider, because in this column you are having marks 40 or above. So what is the answer of this 40 or above? 38. Okay, so the answer will be 38. Okay, now let us see the second question. How many students obtained marks 90 or above 90? So 90 or above 90 means what? This column, na? Here you will get 90 or above marks. So how many students are there? 3. So in this case you will write 3 students. In earlier we have got 38 students. Now third question. How many students obtained marks 60 or above? So 60 or above means what? This row. In this row you are having marks 60 or above 60. See the more than value 19. So here you will write 19 answer. Okay. Now see the fourth one. What is the cumulative frequency of equal to or more than equal to type of the class 0 to 10? So 0 to 10, what is the answer of 0 to 10? CF cumulative frequency 62. So here you will write 62. Okay, so in this way you will write the answers of all the 4 questions. Okay, so we are done with this. Thank you.